Hey, how's it going out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and coming at you with another YouTube training video. This one I'm going to show you how to use YouTube cards and how you can use it to get more views, subscribers, and ultimately leads and more sales for your businesses. So um, I'm going to keep this one real short. I'm going to show you just exactly how to use it. I also have a guide below that you can snag. It's going to have more tricks and tips for setting up your YouTube channel, creating videos, and getting leads, generating leads and sales. So you can pick that up at any time during this video. Just be sure to click the link below. So um, this is the video. So I've already picked the video. I've already picked the spot I want to do it. So that's the most important thing. Is this works really well if you say something in a video, and then you have another video or a link to go along with it. So you can, you can say something like in my other video that I have for you, and then you can use the card. And what will happen? What will be a little you've probably seen it. A little box bubble will appear right here, and it'll have the little quick information, and then people can click on there and be directed to wherever you want them to go. So in order to use the YouTube cards, you're simply just going to go to edit video after you've picked your video. Um, you can see here I have a spot set up. I went through the video that I was going to um, edit to save time. I found the spot I want, so be sure you know the time frame where you want to put the card or the cards. You can put more than one, but to keep it short, I'm just going to show you one. And then you're going to click on edit video, and just wait for it to load. And as you can see right up here, there's the card section. That's where you're going to click. So it's really simple. Most editing of YouTube videos are simple. Let's see. When that loads, you're just going to pick the time frame you want, and then you're just going to add the card. So I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to slide over the little bar here till it gets to where I want it to go. Let's see. And then I'm just going to go over to add card. Now, as you can see here, you have a few options here. So you can, you can add a poll if you have, you want to survey your audience, get an idea of what they want, so you can give them more of the value that they seek, that they subscribe to your channel for. You can promote another channel if you have another channel. But in this case, we're just going to do a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a video that I was referring to, and let's see. I believe it's that one, and then we'll just click right there, and that's it. That's all you do. So it's automatically going to update update your video, and you're done. You just added YouTube cards to your video, and now you're going to redirect people to see the video or channel or poll or anything like that that you wish to add to your YouTube video. So you can go back and you can check it. I'll show you real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. So it's that easy. You can do that for any type of video. You just have to make sure that your channel is set up for that, so everything's verified, and you can learn how to do that by clicking the guide below. So here is the video that I just did. I will go to the section, and then we're gonna wrap this up. So we're going to go, so this loads, we're gonna go back. So we'll go, alright, and we'll just let it run, and you can see what I'm talking about here. you go. As you can see right there, it pops open, and now you can click on that, and it's going to open that up, and people can go directly to that. So there you go. That's how you use that feature. Just another little way to keep people on your YouTube channel, keep people interested in your content, which is going to get you more views, get you more subscribers, leads to leads and sales on YouTube. So I hope you got some value from this. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions on future videos. Be sure to subscribe and click the link to get that free guide on making money on YouTube. And I'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.